Welcome to another episode of Words That Make You Go, Saint. What is a saint? How do you become a saint? Well, the word saint stems from the word sent. It's also from the word set, S-E-T, and sent meaning S-E-N-T, sent. So sent means to cause to go, to travel. Set is defined as a pathway. What gets sent? It's the Kundalini, up the spine into the brain. Or in the Christian language, it's the Christos. There's a part in the body, in the pelvic region, there's about 3 bone structures that's called, named after the word sacred, sacrum, and a couple other ones. The Christos gets sent from the sacred area of the body into the temple in the brain. That's what the set is. The set is the pathway that the Christos travels or gets sent. That's the spine. It gets sent into the midbrain, into the temple. That's a medical term. It's in the medical books, the temple, this part of the head. That's how you become a saint. You must be sent within a set. From the sacred to the temple rises the Christo. That's how you become a saint. You become the Christ, the saint. That's the sacred secretion. It's a secret. It's the secret. The secret is there is a secretion of Christos at the base of the spine. It gets sent through the set to the temple in the brain. That's the path of the Christos. Becoming the Christos, the Christ, is becoming the saint. The saint, you become a saint when you're sent by a set. Thanks for coming by. We'll see you at the next video. Bye for now.